your bread, that's why you can keep our bread more than 6 months. You know, every month they just gather about 2 or 3 women, and they can bake approximately like 100 pieces or less, or like more. And they say with no salt drums, like it's tradition, yeah? They always bake about more. And we make it dry. When we want to eat, we splash a little bit water, cover with something, and it becomes again. So, like in every village house, you can find this oven, which we call tonir. Like traditional tonir used by fire. I mean, they use wood, but now here we use gas because we want to keep your flame.
Yeah.
But be sure there's no difference. Yeah, if your dough is cooked, it becomes really delicious. Look, she's opening it by 2 hands. She's in every dough, she's making crows. And when we want to eat, we splash water. Like, look, now she are going to put water. Because the dough, it must keep there, like as well, yeah? That's it. About 600 degrees. So there is solid. Like from one side, it bakes just a few seconds.
Oh, and it's cooked.
Yeah.
That's quick.
Just few seconds.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. Like one side, because it's so thin, and inside they are so hot. Have a cheese, but you have like grease. It's the best sandwich in the world.
This is good with cream cheese.
Or maybe,
like something.
Maybe in our country we don't use
you know.
as well. Like we have a salty, unsalty, like these kinds of cheeses. Please enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Here's the lavash. We're here at Daidong Monastery. Yeah, it's so nice nature.